Peace and blessing, families and friends, naysayers, whomever. My name is Leon Wheeler Jr., and this is Master Making in Motion. And today's message is simple, but it's heavy. We can't heal if we keep lying to ourselves. Now, when I say we can't and ourselves, I'm not just talking about you. I'm talking about me too. See, we all do it. We all lie to ourselves time and time again to cope, to deal with uh, whatever life throws our way. It's been a coping mechanism that we've developed. And unfortunately, it does us so much harm. It does us so much harm. I uh, I understand. We most definitely been through hell for centuries, and a lot of times we tell ourselves that we're okay, that it's not that bad, and we do that because again, it's a way to cope. It's a way to deal with a reality that, for whatever reason, we don't want to face. We been hiding behind all of this negative energy because that's what it is. A lie is negativity, and the energy is definitely not uplifting or enriching. It pulls us down. It doesn't build us up. And again, I am guilty of that. I know it oh so well. And we'll never be able to create real unity uh, amongst one another in our households, with our family, friends, community. It's not possible when we live in lies. Those lies are eating at us. They actually eat us alive. But again, we do it because it's easy. Uh, it's easy. It's a way to cover up, to cover up the pain and the suffering and the facts, or whatever they may be. It's easy to cover them up. And we do it with jokes. We do it with religion. Uh, we do it with, I guess, these macho images. We act tough. We display ourselves in ways that, that's not truthful. And it's all a cover up. And it's not a good cover up. Now, I'm not saying that to be judgmental. No, I can't. Because I've done it. I've done it time and time again. I've told myself that I'm okay when in fact I wasn't. That I didn't need anyone, which is not the truth. I've done it. I'm guilty of it. But the moment I start accepting the fact, the reality that I wasn't okay, that I did have these issues, I had problems, I became, I guess, more liberated. I felt more free, more at peace. And peace found me. Peace found me. So I say, again, this isn't a judgment. I'm not in no position to do that. We have to deal with the reality of whatever reality that plagues us. Michael Jackson created the song "The Man in the Mirror." We have to reflect. We have to reflect. We have to look at ourselves and be totally honest with ourselves. That's the only way we'll be able to get past whatever plagues us. We can't pretend our way to success. It doesn't work that way. It's not possible. So uh, we have to deal with it. We got to stop telling ourselves that it's okay, when in fact it's not. We have to deal with whatever plagues us. There's no way possible for us to raise healthy sons and daughters if we're dealing with issues inside of ourselves. It's not possible. We can't pretend this stuff away. You know your issues. Be honest with yourself. Work to better your situation. Figure it out. Call it out. Address it. Be truthful with yourself. You got to be truthful with yourself. And once you do that, so much will unfold. So much will come to fruition. We can't deny the reality that we're living in. The only thing they say it is the cliche is they say the truth will set you free. Yes, you got to be truthful with yourself. You have to be. It's mandatory. It's a must be. And once you do that, once we do that, we can move in the proper direction. And we can free ourselves from the mental bondage that we've created for ourselves by concocting a bunch of lies. So, this is Master Making in Motion. And I'm here to remind us that we're great individuals. We're great power. We have history on our side. Our potential is unfathomable. I mean, we're great. You're great. And once we accept that reality, once we really look at the man in the mirror and deal with the reality of whatever our shortcomings are, and stop, I guess, wishful thinking and hoping that we can lie this stuff away. Again, we can't raise our children properly if we got ills inside of us, demons inside of us that we're fighting. We can't be we're not mentally aware enough to do that because we're at odds. We're on the battlefield. And I'm not saying it's going to be easy, but I'm saying it must be done. We must stop lying to ourselves. We can't heal by lying to ourselves. And once we become truthful, again, things will change. Guaranteed. Overnight, life will change. If I said anything in this brief monologue that inspire you in any way or that you can relate to, put it in the comments. Talk to me. Share it with somebody that you know that may be struggling with some things. Just share it. Because we all are facing the same, I guess, atrocities, the same ills, because we all come from the same place. So share it. Put it in the comments, share it. Give me a thumbs up, like, dislike, and subscribe to the channel if you're not, because that's how I can get the channel to grow. And lastly, but not leastly, last but not least, I want to plug in my books, Code and Ethics for Up-and-Coming Players, and King, a Master in Making. This is the Master Channel, and I leave you as I came. Peace and love, family and friends, naysayers, whomever. I say to you, be.